Hi, I'm Melanie, and I'm excited to introduce you to Perry Gregg, the CEO and founder of Garbage Patch Robotics.
Well, I don't think we'll actually go after it unless we believe that it is. I mean, it absolutely is an overwhelming problem. This is the classic problem of the thing that gets the most use, the oceans, gets the least care. And we let things fall. And unless we really get that message seriously, we won't make the changes that are necessary. And we won't make those changes fast enough to help with the problem. The eastern part of the Pacific garbage patches, there are two of them, a western one and an eastern one. The eastern one is twice the size surface-wise of the state of Texas. So it's a phenomenally huge problem. And then the particles are anywhere on the surface to 40 meters below, and they're kind of spread out, as has been said, like a peppery soup. Don't really think we want to do the fisherman solution of just casting a wide net and just picking everything up in that area, because we're going to get a lot of marine life and things that we don't really want to get. For parts of it, we're going to need a more focused kind of solution that I think we can only do with machines or robotic devices that actually can sense what of the 13 or 14 types of plastic that it's encountering and actually, in a measured fashion, pick it up and collect it and or turn it into some sort of device itself that finds its way to sail back to shore. We're just saying, hey, it's like if you throw a concert in Golden Gate Park and you leave a bunch of trash, hey, the people that made the money off the concert are responsible for picking up the trash. And I don't think that that's a difficult message for corporate America to hear at all. I think they're kind of used to that standard, and it's a little bit of an extension of what they were expecting. There's actually an industry that we can create that will be related to recovery and fixing the earth, and we are going to unleash and deploy this industry. And it's Coca-Cola's venture company that would be interested in investing, because they can make profits from cleaning up the earth, right? It's that shift that'll get us to move faster. Once we establish and show, just like a war makes profits for the companies that produce the infrastructure for war, it's the companies that produce the infrastructure to clean up the environment. They're going to make more than any war has ever seen, because there's a lot we have to do. And there's so many things where I think we have tools where if we deployed them in a robot type sense, we could fix the negative consequences of humans being on Earth that we've seen in the last couple hundred years. This Earth itself is something that should be preserved. The same way we wouldn't want to blow up a planet, 100 million light years from here. We shouldn't want to destroy this planet, because we can see there's something magical going on right here. We've got to become the stewards of that magic and cultivate it and keep it going. I have a lot of hope for the millennials and younger generations. I think they're not so programmatically married to destroying this planet. The vision for this company is to help to provide some of the tools and assemble the team so that and bring the teams together so that we can use the Industrial Revolution to solve the problem itself by producing machines that go out there and fix it.
We know machines can outperform and counter the negative impacts of human activity. So, do you care about the state of our oceans? You can help us harness the power of the private sector and technology to clean up our oceans. There are a few ways you can help. Like this video, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends, with anyone you know. You can help also financially through our Indiegogo campaign, and you can also join the conversation by joining the Garbage Patch Meetup group located in San Francisco. Thanks for watching.